Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panu. Today I will teach you the topic of shortest distance between the two lines in 3D chapter. Okay, so first of all we have the equation of line in vector form. To find the shortest distance, first of all we have to write these two equations in the vector form like r vector. The first equation we can write as a1 vector plus lambda b1 vector. Okay, and the second equation is we can write as a2 vector plus mu b2 vector. Okay, when we compare these two equations, then we get a1 is equal to I plus j. Okay, you can see here when we compare both of these equations, then you get a1 is equal to I plus j, and when we compare lambda with the same coefficient constant, then we get the value of b1 vector is 2i minus j plus k. Then you can write it as b1 vector is equal to 2i minus j plus k. Okay, now if we compare the second vector, then we get the value of a2 a 2i plus j minus k. Then you can write it in this way, and if you get b2 vector, then you get the value 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Okay, now what is the formula of shortest distance? First of all, we know about the formula. All in that case, we find the shortest distance. So students, the formula is that first of all, we write here B1 cross B2. I will tell you about the cross product. And after that, you can write as A2 vector minus a1 vector, and in the denominator you can write as b1 vector cross b2 vector and the modulus of it. Okay, now our first step is, so we can find b1 cross b2. So students, if you find b1 cross b2, then you have to write it as I j k. First of all, we have to write these components and the coefficients of b1. The coefficients of b1, the coefficient of I is 2, j is minus 1 and k is 1. Then you can write here 2 minus 1 and 1, and the coefficient of b2 is 3. You can see from this 3 minus 5 and 2. Okay, now you can write it. Now you have to find the determinant of this equation. Like first of all, we write here I, and you can take the determinant. You can leave this row and column and multiply by minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 into 2, then you get minus 2. Okay, you can write here I in the outer side and multiply minus 1 by 2, you get minus 2, and then you can write the sign of minus and multiply 5 by 1, then you get minus 5. Okay, and you have minus 5, then minus minus will become plus. Now you can write here minus j, because you know that in the determinant we write here plus, minus and plus. So in the second step, you have to leave this row and the column and you multiply 2 by 2 and you get 4 here. Then you write here the sign of minus and multiply 3 by 1 and you get 3. Okay, now you have to write the component of k. Leave this row and the third column, multiply 2 by minus 5, you get minus 10, and minus minus is plus, then you get plus 3, because we can write minus sign every time when we are solving the determinant of 2 by 2 matrices. And you have the minus sign already, then minus minus will become plus. Okay, now we are left with the answer 5 minus 2 we get 3, and 4 minus 3 we get 1, and minus 10 plus 3 we get minus 7. Then we have the values 3i minus j minus 7k. Okay students, now you have to find the modulus of this vector. For this, first of all, you multiply the coefficient of phi 2 times, and you can write here minus 1 to the square, and the coefficient of k is minus 7, then you can write here minus 7 to the square, because we know that the modulus of this vector is, then we can do the squares of the coefficients of I, j, k. Okay, now you have to write 3 to the square is 9, and the square of minus 1 is 1, and 7 to the square is 49. Then you get students 59 as your answer. I repeat my step. When you have to take the modulus of this type function, you can see here when we take the r vector as xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, then you can write the modulus in this form. We can write here x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, we used this formula in this step. Okay, now our next step is that we have to find the value of a2 minus a1 vector. For this, first of all, we write the a2 vector. What is the a2 vector in our question? You can see from the starting this one, 2i plus j minus k and I plus j, and we have to subtract these two vectors. In this way we get 2. Okay, then we get 2i minus I. Okay, and after that we can write here minus j and minus j, because we have to subtract the first from the second, plus j minus j, and the third one we have minus k and minus 0k, because we have no coefficients of k in our a1 vector. Okay, now we are left with 2i minus I, then we get only I, and by cancelling j by j, and only in the last we get minus k, and in this way we are left with I minus k. Okay, now we have to apply the formula of shortest distance. So how we can apply this formula? You can see from here, first of all we write d, and we have to put the value of b1 cross b2. So students, what is the value of b1 cross b2? You can see here a 3i minus j minus 7k. Okay, now what is the value of a2 minus a1? That is I minus k. Okay, now, and what is the modulus of this? You can see from your question, modulus is a square root of 59. Okay, now we have to put this value in our question, and that is, we can write here square root of 59. Now we have to multiply these two equations, 3i with I, because we know that when we multiply I with I, then we get 1 by dot product. I have told you in my previous video, I dot I is 1 and j dot j is 1. In this way, k dot k is also 1, and if you multiply I with k, then it will become 0. Okay, then we multiply the coefficient of I with I, 3 multiply 1, and we have no coefficient of j, then we get 0 here, and minus 7 and minus 1, you get only 7. Okay, and we get root 59. In this way you get 3 plus 1. Here you have 1 because minus minus is plus, then 3 plus 7, sorry, and we get 10 here, and we have the value 10 square root of 59. Because students, it is the rule that we do not write the square root in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it. And for rationalizing you have to do rationalize this step, and we get 10 square root of 59, and square root of 59 are cancelled, and we get this is our shortened distance. Okay, now I repeat my process of doing this question. How we can find the shorter distance? For this, first of all, we have the two equations in our questions. After that, we write these equations in our vector form, and by comparing this vector form to the original equations, you get a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay, after that you have to write the formula that b1 cross b2, a2 minus a1, and we can write here b1 cross b2 the modulus. After that we have to find the cross product of b1 and b2, and we can write here I, j, k, and after that we write here the components of b1 and b2, and after solving this determinant, and we get our vector 3i minus j minus 7k, and after this we have to find the magnitude of this vector, as you can see from the this formula. And after that we have to find a2 minus a1, and in this way you can find your subtraction of the two vectors, and then you have to put all the values in the shorter distance, and you get the answer in this way. So students, this is the method of shorter distance, how we can find the shorter distance between the lines. There are also a formula of find the distance only, and we have to find the distance between the 2 points, and I had told you in my previous videos how we can find the distance between the 2 points. So students, this is the shorter distance of line, not distance of the points. Okay, and we will discuss its next types in my next videos. Thank you so much.